y'all I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whips pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, it's like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Adrian Michelle here, and if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you can get updates every time I post a new video. Now, if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. I see people use the tape method, so I decided that I wanted to try it this time around just to see how it comes out. So that's what I'm doing first, is applying the tape underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm going to use that as the base for my eyelids. After all of that is blended out, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this first color and I'm going to pop that into my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35P palette. I'm going to take this tan color and I'm going to apply that right underneath the first one. Going back into my Morphe 35P palette, I'm going to take this mauve color and I'm going to use that to define my crease. I'm going to go back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm going to use that to carve out my cut crease. Once I get my desired shape, I'm going to go back in with my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to take this white shimmer color and I'm going to apply that into the inner corner of my eye. Going back into my Morphe 35P palette, I'm going to take this purple and I'm going to apply that right next to the white. Then I'm going to go back in with my Morphe 35P palette using this black for the outer corner of my eye. You do want to make sure that when you're using the darker color, you want to bring it all the way around so that it gives your cut crease more of the dramatic effect. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this lighter purple and I'm going to apply that in between the white and the dark purple that I use just to make for a smoother transition. Going in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in the color Jet Black, I'm going to line my eyes. And for my face, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Mattifying Primer. And then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Liquid Foundation in the color 440. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and then I'm going to use a flat foundation brush that I've sprayed with setting spray to blend it all out. For my contour, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany. I'm going to apply that down the sides of my cheeks, on my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. Once all of that is blended out, I'm going to go in with my RK Powder Contour Palette in the color Deep 2 to set. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Luxe Pro Powder in the color Banana. For my lower lash line, I'm going to first go in with my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to take that white and I'm going to apply that right along the waterline. And then I'm going to go back in with my Morphe 35P palette. I'm going to use this black color to smoke out the bottom. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. mascara. I'm going to go in with the shimmering blush from my Ulta Beauty Strobing Kit. I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, also underneath my eyebrows. I'm going to go in with a regular brown pencil to line my lips. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Lip Tease in the color Entice Temptation. And finally, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Treat Setting Spray and spray my face. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also leave a comment in the comment section below of any other looks that you would like for me to try. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.